so ye monitor na ye fancy so ye nefie na che se boja ye no a na ye womu no na ye hyase a ye mfa da ubonkrata de daily graphic en hyase daily graphic animu na juicer gane nura woni anu wasem ewo court a wo ye senka wo kọ ebi kwa akwaji ruling ebi so kọ na nka wasem ya to aso adi okodu ya apanda nkwa wa ama ye bo na che se ubehu se court ni ye bie die na so judge bia ntim lawyer bia nyina honom de adi obi asem ene juicer ge force wasem odi chu dwasem panimfo nyamabo no wo nwo no wontumi nya dwuma no ese panimfo ne what na se eti o ma call of strike no strike ni wa calling off eti ni empanimfo de abetudwa ene wunya daily graphic the bonkrata no a enimu eda honom na guta foso ena enei wabebo aban no abaso se bosha aban ne hye ye fe tro gege mo safi budget no ye nti womu so introduction of new taxes bia ba en na no mo se na che so omate omaso wo mutie edie na ebe koso papa yi san be ka tuo foforo se ene ye di we ba na ye di we ba mo se we de omote ya tax foforo bi ama eti omobọ mpanimfo abaso se wadi wo bo hye so eti daily graphic nsem a ewomu ebi eno no na enura ene under 23 no so ne omoye omoho daily graphic ni nyina bi ewuwo mu a wo betumi akenkan ewomu sports ye ewomu nyina edidem the Ghanaian Observer so enie na Ghanaian Observer maami esla owusu ekufu wonne soafo ya bohwe wo mayi ye nkitawudie ensem so wosika ni GVG yi okofa ba ye no senka nkitawudie adwuma ni nyina common platform ye mfa wongu so na wadwuma a wo ye na ni ntumi ni akire hu se sen wo kɔ no sen wo kɔ no no amanfo bo ni tiri so an wo se sika na kyese ka no wo bo man Ghana maami esla owusu se adwuma a wo ye no eso abamfaso common platform no a wonam kan ni GVG so yes emra na wontumi monitor telcos no wasisika abam woni mfaso a wo man ni yenya 1.1 million dollars bosomi ni a wo man no anya bafutuo mu no eti wose sese de mu anamosi ana kan ni GVG e ba ye no mfaso ba ni yenya na omu nkonta ma me ne so wabu nkonta mfaso do sopo na aba enhyehyeye a wonimo eye no emu na the Ghanaian Observer kronwa emu na wonimonyamfo kwaku agima manu soafo ya bohwe omayi ya pomuden ensem so wose nnura wotese ndisi amanyoko no ene akwamna minta akando dwa bosomra hye badwani na no odi animu ene omo so omo ko inspection mo ko ne hia wo mo ne na ambulance no aba no ene omo twa ho saa omo twa kanko wo mo ko no ma besi omachi wo mu wie ya kwamna minta akando se media no mo wo hen momra me wa asem ka wo kogina ho abosen an ena omo di ambulance na begu ho ena nipa ewuo enya kai emfa nipa ntum kwa ya asabia people yenya bi wase asem a ministry no ne mpanimfo ka special initiative ministry ne health ministry ka say afeni ye twani amanfo amma wonu matum ya yisu kai no ena mfidie ne nade a wose ade hyehyem so mo ye nwadwa no wose enrodo hwiada sem da bia sem we ma Canada ambulance ante se wato Mercedes Benz na 2 ya na woko oh samu asem we me kan how do ambulance ambassador e kan wo Hit FM ambulance we no eye type 2 eno no kire say type 2 ambulance na eno ho say mini clinic and to say old ones na you use that no ye nipa demu and this all difference technology na wo mu no ye different from old one na ye wo no it's number 1 say aban na okraye no answer na aban ne kwoto ambulance no the specifications koye National Ambulance Service ehwemu aban ne hwemu ministry ne hwemu ehu say ne yepe ene ye de ko na manufacture na ye wie ene ode aba so manufacturing the ambulance be say commission ambulances ni na and just say your commission to say that you see them be we ne ko table ye ka say commission ambulances say make sure say ba ku bia no ya hwe hu say the can say fashion mu na hyem the can na ho de no sa na tie pepepe nti aban ne silver one mo ye Mercedes ye mo krum here from Sekra Silver Star na Silver Star very good womo and say say won be inspect car no na ho den as Mercedes Benz
Now for National Ambulance Services, so technicians now no, any EMTs now no, emergency medical technicians now no, so and with equipment now no, as you inspect bakubia yenye random, a beer one after the other. Uye and noa. Now for who say what a see no commission, no release the ambulances no.
The other issue
World Health Organization. World Health Organization, Emma between 30 and 33 days
so
to inspect. Yes, to inspect ambulances.
30 to
33 days. Say nya wona wo ya nya ambulance. And ambulance ye free baby near the baha. And according to World Health Organization, you have between 30 to 33 days to inspect.
Na ambulance ne bedu ye disen.
Eno de binim.
Evisa asamba akoso na kando kan say yesi afen ye betwe ni omo a ombe yisu ambulance no ba nyo nso nim say ambulance service a wo Ghana ha no ye wo train from say omo ye adwuma ambulance no EMTs no wo hono mo yeah wo say
car ye wo se CI no e say me catch say type 2 ambulance
new
and wo 2 gear levers. It's a drivers now. Automatic now. Driver now. It's not like this one.
Okay.
So they need to go through certain training. Now yes, no driver nankasa ya for them EMT say wo no. Obekwa kokum wo nyina.
Entina say committee members no na yembrifu omo fa ne wo kan ho because minim say senko munimu a ene nka ne nura kwamna minta kando ye de awiakete wode nsentwerefo twa ka ahunhie twa ka ahunhie no bi anke ma ne saa na minister en wode atodwa say asam no anura wote say emrahye badwani ne ka no eye ne twe wo se papa no wonte ne ma biase en won de wote da ase abura wa makora so say ena wa ma 4 days yo say wo tumetum ena ka no mo fancy abonti wo se kwabne Tobo no
one yes I'm so honorable Kwabra Minta Kando dan kasa ranking member on health. Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now bibia e boko de.
Ya mene mo pai bo me hoye.
Bo yanso ye hoye pa. Ye yen nti say one ma ultimatum say abaning distributing ambulances na wo ko patcho sanity.
Minim koma we de kan DD we me won me need opportunity to monitor you but they can yes sir.
Okay, patcho dent na ma o kan sir.
Very good. Ambulance dia mementi ase for emergency purposes. And when this award the mine sika kokoto ambulance na de ba bedru o mine mu a. Sabi mpredua asa answer na obenya adwen kra se kokoto ambulance so say bi o wa say we ye tie say kokoto ambulance ababu mfie mienu. Mfie mienu na chi no. Yakoto ambulance no aba be go parliament for months. The kwa adwuma bia ehu ambulances no isi ho. The minister responsible for government special initiative of the ambulance in 2020. In 1 year, there was a parking ambulances for emergency purposes. Now you jai money because day in and day out, you pay because you have access to ambulances in this country. So being prepared, we are saying, "Nibi, I see you being a couple of mines. The only time I been home for one is use ambulances. And so for us, reasons somebody armor. So far, reasons we been say you see a person the tracking devices the question ambulance. And me say me call sabi me question say me be medics and who say ambulance tracking device ni mo a and no check ambulance need to be adwuma. The fact say be distribute ambulance no so interest say need to be fa tracking device and panko and question ambulances lim. Nti enye bibia aye so fundamental ehia enunti a bro say what say park ambulance money per one farmer that I said because of tracking device you park ambulance money so the other reason yes RTB must say sinu nyina nya mai the park we ni si ho na ye mani nyina amra and also me tia say anya yi so the miensa kra na aba ye nche de beba no ye nsa nche mpanto aso. And so for me so be na on woman na ye bu no it's about time say nyina be hu say we are all stakeholders in this government. They are Ghana for your taxpayers. In any case, members of parliament, so one arm of the government. Inti say ye kasana sabe yansa wumua ye dibu na ye name calling no adapa kano and what will be I don't help anybody. So you will feel say ambulance whatever it takes. I was ye bia ye distribute ambulance ye distributing it to see any money ya that boy the best serve the purpose for which it was bought.
Okay. Honorable Pacho, answer na by ne be odano Committee on Health or Parliament. Muhu specifications, no.
I believe so, but after the time, and I must be sincere with you, so I'm ready to get the ranking on the committee.
Okay, now we say one no more say ya mo ambulance ne buy no. Motimia ebiama committee na kwhwa na committee na pe technician me na mpacho me question
before say no there was a trip to inspect pre-inspection. Our members of parliament be cool bia me say okay, and so I even ever high in the first place.
Pacho members of parliament and when you musa so
honorable Nuyama Ekobi. Honorable Nuyama for the meeting abonity of head no.
Pacho na World Health Organization period they inspect the ambulance. The specification here commission 33 working days no menim say committee no money Ministry of Health na din kutamo won say one year inspection every etmia commission ambulances no for distribution.
You are repeating the question. You are just repeating the question. Answer na ambulance and the back Ghana Hano. The catch said there was a pre-inspection trip. Our members of parliament are representing so. So I'm not a member of parliament. My information is that everything was intact.
But pre-inspection no yet part of the commissioning, part of the commissioning process. But I don't yet the final process.
Commissioning in this country. The commission of the ambulances in this country.
Yes.
Or in this country.
Yes.
Please, Mr. Ansana Ebeba had no. Ansana Ebeba do Mayimumpono. It was inspected. That's the point I'm making. To say, I expect not to be okay. Near importer be do Mayimuni a commissioner. Well, probably internally, be a Minister of Health, almost procedure, almost by inspecting among the BDI intact. And no internal mechanism. I was say almost that should not prevent say young packet ambulance needs to work for months. That should not prevent. And look, I say because of say inspection be you know. I was say your packet ambulance. How many days are they inspection, Mr. Smart? How many days? Say because of inspection.
What committee is you and you be and move to me aboy specifications are one more the bread mono. Say be a mwankasa kwa munya at least you can call a technician to tell you or brief you say specifications now bind the check committee no as a year call tour ambulances no ye meet specifications. Are you telling me say minister and say because they didn't meet specifications? No, I am only asking you a question. I haven't quoted the minister here.
And so that has absolutely nothing to do with the distribution of the ambulances, Mr. Smart. Mr. Smart, the point I'm making is that and we have experts to go and inspect it. It's somebody's responsibility to go ahead and inspect it. It should not take the member of parliament to come and inspect the ambulances before its distribution.
Okay,
what is important is that, Mr. Smart, what is important is that Yakoto ambulance aba, the team are inspected. You say everything is intact. So I bedroom hakurampuna, I was say team because inspector. The appropriate authorities must ensure, say, the ambulances have been inspected, they are in good condition, and they should be distributed. So, that angle, the argument about inspection, and because of inspection, young packet ambulances in for months. I disagree with you. I humbly disagree with you.
And after 72-hour ultimatum, then a beba.
And so you see. One thing I am doing about more in such rough one is sometimes when we raise critical issues, they attempt to ridicule some of us. They attempt to make it as if some of us are not making sense. And
I don't think anybody. I don't think anybody in this house attempted to ridicule you. No, I don't think. Honorable Meba said Pachomebo, ye ni privileges committee will be attacking integrity. Your friend will haunt. That's not what I'm talking about. Pachomeba, with all respect to you, Honorable. Sir, Ekoban so be be about the integrity of Parliament. Your baby, your friend, no. How can be about the integrity of Central Fa? Me privileges committee and I'm tisui. I don't think say anybody in this house attempted to ridicule you.
Mr. Smart.
Yes, Honorable.
I'm not talking about Parliament in general. So I attack the integrity of Parliament and I say, make a parliamentary candle me wine. Who am I? It's by God's grace, me a bedroom, maybe a bedroom. But I am one yebu. Amamuo, especially when you begin to pass comments without even listening to the other side.
Honorable, and I make a say, if you have be
yes, try and encourage each other.
No, what I'm saying is that.
Smart. You have the whole platform to yourself. Make a say where you can talk.
But you don't have to say what they in our
and then after that you can do whatever you want with it.
There be fire in Amfra, Central radio station be and a television station be no what can be attempting to
the way you people behave.
And when I mean person because we people men can home in yebi.
And then a day when they pay my and say ambulance for emergency purposes. Now didn't see her near the reason after the one after the other. Near the cover we have a tracking device. The Aquafa team component inspection and put them in over there. Now ambulance is your no sure bono. Na a real bono. Now you car as a ranking member on health. Me I obia was a medimani di apumudin semochi. Yakoka. Then people attempt to defend this. God saves all of us.
Honorable, one attempted to ridicule you, and I make us say, if you hire your way, Obian who attempted to ridicule you this morning. ABNSC will radio station be. I'll be very glad, say, bet me could no abo station needing, no abo presenter needing, because I quite to say, sir, stereotyping. No, this time I think I'm getting sick of it. So I say, Centroni back we are there, say, Mon Central for me, yeah, they are working. And a mistake so yes, sir.
Yo, Martin. Come on, so question be I'll be ready to.
But your question be any ho.
Medase.
And the best politicians, no both minority and majority. Sir, radio station be cast seminar and yawoda. Major videos from Famimfra. Oban wenya kukudro, no wabo station kunidin, no wabo presenter nidin. Na kobasa Mon Central for wabra main central for no me kan be na me yes ah. Mentiasio.
Captain. Ejuma na ye no ho. Say edru ba bi na if you have the information. Emre bi ensi kwan say ube give you out that information. Nia wo de man opa say oh kana mi bisa so sa na tie say you and Kubata na World Health Organization kura no say wo de ba
33 working days we expect
33 working days say fire inspection. I didn't know you were saying it education and obia betia
say you type 1 ebinim friend grade A, you type 2 ebinim friend grade B, you type 3 ebinim friend grade C. Type 3 no dey whole hospital nanam one for the moving clinic and a hospital. Say no kra ukota World Health Organization about 36 working days say finds make sure say everything in it is intact because ambulance are there dangerous ambulance we say here what order ambulance one will say ya order bi tiere ya order bi a ebeduru ha wie ya
ntumi amfa anya hwe
ntumi amfa nko because ya man national ambulance service for kwan and go through the process of the World Health Organization
in procurement and everything.
Very good. And it won't mean some fan comma baby aquato yano and a bay conco da caono. Conco na ya cran maybe a basicono, conco da caono. So this one, as I say, a 2 year bossy process didn't go through. Minimum time a bedroom here, may buy and better ambulances no, a be a bedroom. Excellent. Say 33 working days no, manufacturer no ho. Say be a manufacturer no you're ready so be responding to some queries here and then a different leg of the discussion. So we are responding to all the queries raised. Now we must certify Ministry of Health Ajatum, National Ambulance Technicians Ajatum, drivers are yet training women who say driving the ambulance, assembly anywhere. Then the warranty begins to work. Warranty is 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. Then they say one warranty will take care of. Ambulance and Tessa Yatoya can hear you.
Captain, honorable every right to ask questions
right.
about say ambulance abedru. Nesia reaction. But baby was all directing the question no corner. And yet one word in Naman as a yen centrefwa, Ubeba Biblimu, yes, if you say ye dear, what frayers and Yaben Yenti and centrefwe, Mumra near question in ye duechi. And ye yeno, yes, we are come when we say, Adiano, say ni say, what's I call. And you know, first of all, we committee now, who health committee so. Who health committee so, minister one in our parliament, who chairman of the committee. Won't send near maybe a seer. And one of maybe a what be son or men fewer. Any information I would ban I can say, oh, and penfono crama meant to say, dear near your ambulance no, yantishi. But so the cassa is serium. Now walk out and so to where we are the ambulance ambassador. So you have the information. You are giving it out. You don't blame journalists say and a months and for the movie. No. They say
I'm saying journalists be
okay, then I had a yes, we are just education is why they man a general public no. A you be a OTA biana was all TSA. I didn't say net here. And John Rabo near many be or more. Mawanka, Nancy will be a one who send a month and telephone and a month and telephone. I too much, Captain. I too much, my men come paper so. Ambulance will crow, your friend be manufacturing slate. Manufacturing slate, and so say, was so says, so chain. That's a war that first trench, save your order, maybe all damos ambulance Macumako 500. Manufacturing slate, and so. Say, what the chef will say, may per se will manufacture no. This period, woman be 200 pieces, you need to wait. As I say, health committee, the my say. San crat and any specifications there the brom manufacturing slate in the Sunankasa MPs international then and was so. Say first trench no, G reading in us, a distributor and answer, G be reading in us, inspectors, commission. As you wing in by Central, I was so ridiculous about Kando Jai. Anna, chairman of the committee, so yes, now on my honorable account information, on man information, Bibiacho entra. Etiunya the Wonkata, a the Ghanaian observer, Sansem Winina, a woman, who bet me, I can Yamfa daily guide and Twasway. Now, daily guide captain, Assembly war, Crata Fencia. Ma just say as we man can cry near to go in a mechiqua. Men sorry. Me feel cry. Asemi Jamila Aquile and na Jamila somewhat troyeno was a senior lecturer your faculty of communication studies Wisconsin University. Dr. Kwaku Roxon. And what dear two just say, I dear be cross Ghana say I want to see it. Was he say a Juma moon, you know? A Juma moon, you know, Ghana high and century Jumano. A Juma moon, you know. If you send century any beko school, no worry, ya were more one day be our uncle school, no. When in a moa, Nanukran you learn on the job and so. Ut me ye send century for Marco school every year. A be more dinim the end year or more ya you are the or more yet a Juma biano. So nyabe wuran century adwuma no mu a yes wo be gi training wo ye intern na wo bi tumi ye intern 6 years 10 years ni yes wo gi training ye ntuaneka Dr. Roxon say that sad ye no ye nyai asama baby sa wo fa wo bi a labor commission won hyehyɛ ya ye de ye adwuma say wo fa obi adwuma mu a ebere sen na wo se wo die ni ahyase atua
na general he ye won krofo a aye casual workers e wo company bim for 12 years
serious
or that a casual worker
enti Dr. Roxon na kan o eno na wo mu so no eti wo do nipa professor kan a daily guide mu na wo na akua American kan ye eti edam sa na wo mu sa
na I'm the central schools now on person ko radio no first of all manin ko tim say radio a business it's not just a job
exactly
ade we no a business and so what see as obey journalist journalism is a business it is a wo bemu a that's the one who say we GIG we journalism school be person who run central na Adom FM now pa. By the time you get here you have a proposal and a synopsis of a particular program you want to do.
Oh, so where you and are
this
going.
Thing is business so tongue.
The Chronicle and the other so now Chronicle nim IGP Fonyi da ha say well IGP James Opon Bueno and abantie ye ni photo e de Mr. Chronicle for nka fa maybe one keye Kofi Ampoma a prosifo se yasam no wo court nti yesu se sa prosifo aburu no akum no na bushia ne se emu no ombesie ni wa prosifo akache wombesie ni wa prosifo atena ye wono mo eti a prosifo amukum no no da bia mu twam anu ahu se abantie na yekum no no ha ne yesie no na omu wie so masa ye nkaye dum poti ye de esi wono mo mu twam bia da bia mahu se ne mo ye no ankoye eti ande lawyer ne ne nakasa no pabushafo martin ye wode tudwa nyina ewo mu ya wunya kenkan a wo betumi ehu bie na tatie finance minister so wodi sika 12.2 billion atu ye bottom 12.2 billion da ye bottom enti wuni pakro sa wodi na kom de me na Ghana ho faza tu bottom 12.2 billion wodi ye cho bottom yi sikadem na senior minister no kanwo no wo se aban yi ba ye eniema social intervention programs ahodo o de agu fam ba ko no kura fensen school die no free SHS nie ena eniema bi anka wo se awofo mu kotua ho sika nyina no ya mama fa ni free eti se sika na se mu botom eti nkasa ho kire wo sa 12.2 billion ena ise o mo de ahye botom budget ne sa asem no wom tika vito na efiale de emfansi hen
eti de oni ba okọ free SHS na oni se na hye no botom
na chese wo man bapa eti se wo ye social security ana se ka wa ye ka insurance no ka mo ho ahye o ka mo ho ahye eti na chese o man bapa bia asede no wo fa ase bi be wo edan a wo fie nipa ba ko be free west ni high school no be ko bi
sika da botom enti yem fund se wo say na sanka abusuamu no nyina no wo na obekọ free SHS sa sika na nka se odi kotua school fees be chema yen ana
nka se be chema yen se sika no
na sa sika na wo botom na odi kotua school fees one fan kona be sha asan botom
ebe sha asan bot asan fie no bia nka asan wo fa se be frɛ ne se wo fe school fees no time aso
enyo bia na wo fa se
nyo bia na wo fa wo fie bia wo firi mu
na se me na okay
enti na nyame adwuma na hwɛ na ade akoso praise before enti no we bi so ye nyame adwuma
mama body na me sanse so biom se yes yeah bye